I have a document here. It's about Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, and I like to find any time Mr. Darcy is mentioned in the document. So all I have to do is go up to the menu and I'll choose Edit and I'll go to Find. And here's the Find option, and by the way, the keyboard shortcut is Command and the letter F. I'll click Find, and then in the upper right corner you'll see a search area. I'll type Mr. Darcy and it takes me to the first occurrence. I have two different ways I can find the next occurrence. One is in the search area, I can click this arrow pointing to the right. It takes me to the next one, and this takes me to the previous. Or I can go to the menu and back in Edit, Find. I have Find Next, and the keyboard shortcut is Command G. Or I have Find Previous, and the keyboard shortcut is to hold down the Shift key, the Command key, and the letter G.